What's good, ignitions? What's good? Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good, fam? Thank you guys for the continued support and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, guys, as you guys can see by the title, it is all about the Sephora VIB sale. Y'all, the community the last week have been just going off and I love it. It's like Christmas for us. So shout outs to all the Sephora lovers. I do want to start this video with a disclaimer. I know it's so soon to start with a disclaimer, but you know, guys, I keep saying 100 on my channel. So I do want to mention that a lot of my purchase this time and the last Sephora VIB sale has predominantly been skincare. Sephora has not been the place for me to shop for makeup. Y'all, as many brands that are in Sephora, every company, it just seems like Sephora has just gone the corporate route and it's just all browns. It's just all beiges. I'm like, this is getting so boring to come. Sephora is not a very welcoming place for me anymore because, again, I have no issues with soft glam. I love a soft glam moment, but it's just, it's boring. Everything, all the brands that are in the store, every brand has the same stuff. I'm just like, why do I even come to Sephora? So I go to Sephora nowadays for my big boy items, which is predominantly skincare. So if you guys do not know me personally, let me explain myself. I am a huge advocate of skincare. It is very imperative that you take care of your skin, especially if you are a makeup lover. You want your skin, you want your makeup to perform, you want your makeup to look bomb, you want it to look flawless. And if you have skin issues and you're not taking care of those issues, they are progressively going to get worse and you're never going to have that flawless skin. So I always make sure that I encourage everyone to take baby steps to really getting their skin where they need to get to. So with that being said, this haul is predominantly about skincare. So if you guys want to see what I purchased, what skincare items I purchased, definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. So without further ado, guys, enjoy the haul. So let's get right into it. So I do have this huge box next to me. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I feel like I always have a box next to me. So this is the huge box and of course it's filled to the brim. So let's start off with what I'm wearing on my eyes because it is the first thing that is in the box. So let's jump right into this palette. Let me go ahead and show you guys the gorgeous packaging. Like, I love this packaging. And let me show you guys the color story. The color story is fire. Okay, finally. Hello, Sephora. There is colors. When I saw the color story to this, I was like, oh yeah, we getting this. We getting this. Fire. And I did. Everything that I am wearing on my eyes today is from this palette. And y'all, this palette did not disappoint. Y'all, and I definitely have a tutorial coming for this look. So if I did post it, I will definitely link it right here on the screen as well as in the description bar down below. This I got for my neutral lovers as well as Lisa. If you are watching, I did purchase this because of you, because of your request. So I did pick up the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. So this is also trending all over social media and I truly did get this for my natural girls because you know what, even though this is an artistry channel, I definitely want to bring diverse looks to the channel. So I definitely, if you guys request soft glam, you know I'm here for it. So here is the gorgeous palette from Patrick Ta. It's so beautiful. So what I love about this palette, y'all, first of all, it's so bougie, it's so luxe. But y'all, look at the color story. Like, how freaking pretty. Like, these shades up here all look like jewels, like gems. Like, really, really. And I love all of the rosy tones down here. You know, y'all know I love pink. Pink is my shit. So when I saw this palette, I wasn't even mad at it. I was like, you know what? And what I like is that as a makeup artist, I love cream. Y'all know that. Y'all know that, right? If you didn't know, now you know. So it has 2 eyeshadow bases here. I cannot wait to try this palette. So I definitely am having a date night coming up. So I think I might utilize this for my date night. Do you guys want to see a get ready with me? Like a talk through get ready with me? Like I can tell you guys my emotions while I'm doing my makeup. Oh, you know. Sound off down below. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, I am always influenced by my boo. Shout outs to Tanisha. She definitely inspired this. She definitely influenced this purchase. So I did pick up the Too Faced Killer Eyeliner in Killer Cashmere. So I did pick this up. This she always uses on her waterline when she does a nude moment. And y'all, when I tell you her eyes be standing out, I was like, oh no, girl. I need that. I need it. So here it is. This is a beautiful nude, just a regular nude. The nudes that I do have are all discontinued. So I was like, you know what? I need to get something that you guys can still purchase. So I definitely picked this one up for the collection. Oh my god, did I just spray it? Alright guys, so the next item that I did go pick up was from FRECK Beauty. This is their little freckle applicator. I definitely have seen this all over the internet, and y'all, when I do my freckles, first of all, if you guys do not know me, I am obsessed with freckles. I think freckles are beautiful. And that is I have a very specific freckle look when it starts to warm up, like when the summer comes. I love to do freckles all over my face. And unfortunately, again, those products are outdated because those are all old MAC products. And I still have them. And of course, I can use them. But if I do a video with them, you guys can't get them. So I decided to go ahead and update my routine, my freckle routine. So you guys will have a updated freckle routine coming soon. And I'm excited to try this because I heard a lot of great things about this. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this. Was the Lily Lashes Brush On Lash Adhesive. Now this is my favorite lash glue. I haven't found any other lash glue that works as good. I just needed something for me that, especially for the inner portion, that will grip, like that will get tacky fast enough, and that I have time to play with it, because like Duo, once it dries it doesn't stick. So I needed something that would stay tacky, and this is life, y'all. If you guys are struggling with that same issue with glue like drying out so fast or it not being sticky enough, definitely try this one. It is a little expensive. I think they're $13, but y'all, I have gone through one of these already, and I'm so happy to report that it's my favorite at the moment. So definitely shout outs to Lily Lash for making this. I hope they never freaking discontinue. I did pick up the DANESSA MYRICKS Infinity Chrome Flake Multi-Chrome Gel Shadow. So I did pick this up in Sweet Tooth, which is the like pinky, it's definitely like pinky champagne. Now, of course, the colors that I wanted were the vivid ones, and all of the ones that I personally wanted, they didn't have. So I just decided to try this one just to see the formula. And of course, I can never go wrong with this. I probably use this with the actual Patrick Ta palette, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this. I hope that I love it so I can bring you guys a diamond look. Like, oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. The last makeup item I did pick up was the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Y'all, I'm actually wearing this in this video, and y'all, I'm very surprised. I haven't had a Makeup Forever foundation in probably since they reformulated the first one, because the second time they did it, I didn't like the coloring and I couldn't find my color. Everything was so off, and I was like, okay, let's just pass. And then they reformulated it again and I had to have it. So stay tuned for this tutorial to know my thoughts on this foundation. That's all I'm gonna say. I did pick up my beloved Fresh Rose Deep Hydrating Facial Toner. I love this toner, guys. I have gone through about 6 or 7 of these. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Fresh Cosmetics, like, or Fresh Beauty. I love their stuff, and I definitely had to give this one a break because I felt like my skin was so used to it that the last time I used it, I didn't really see any hydration to my skin. So I gave it a break and tried a different toner, and I'm still using that toner. So I won't open this one until that one is finished, but I'm glad to have this one back in my collection because it does work and it smells amazing. I did pick up the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. Now, I haven't purchased this one in about 2 years because I've been using the Tatcha Essence one, and I just ran out of that one, so I was like, let me pick up a small one of this one. I love the story behind this. The Patera and the SK2 products are amazing. If you guys have any kind of discoloration, any kind of age marks, like dark spots on the face, let me tell you, this, with proper use, your skin will clear up beautiful. This is an expensive product. That's why I need to pick up the big one. I picked up the 2.5 ounces, and this was already $100, like crazy. But I will use this sparingly, and I remember just loving this product so much. It was just very pricey, so I'm glad to have it a part of my collection. I definitely will be incorporating this a part of my updated skincare routine, so definitely stay tuned for that. So moving on, I did pick up 2 serums and an oil. You guys know I'm obsessed with oil. So I have never tried anything from Biossance. So I did pick up the Squalene Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. This one was very intriguing because the serum is blue. I was like, ooh, okay. And it has squalene. Squalene, I've been reading a lot of great things about squalene and what it delivers. It's like the new hyaluronic acid. So I'm excited to really see what this has to deliver. From The Ordinary, I picked up the 100% plant-derived squalene. So I've tried this before, and it feels so nice. It honestly feels like an oil instead of a serum, and there's just something about it. I definitely like this. Of course, this is not going to be the Biossance formula, but I definitely am here to compare both of them. That's why I did pick up this, so I can actually compare, so I'm excited about that. I picked up the Biossance Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. I definitely am running low on my marula oil from Drunk Elephant. I'm literally down to nothing, so I was like, let me try a new oil, because again, I don't want my skin to get adjusted to the product and then it doesn't work anymore. So definitely picked this one up. Squalene Omega Repair Cream. I definitely picked this up. I've heard a lot of great things about this product. Wow, this feels very heavy. So this product claims to be a very deep hydrating facial moisturizer, and a lot of moisturizers say that, but it doesn't last the results. So I'm excited to, you know, get this Biossance system rolling to see how it can change up my skin. I'm very excited about that. Y'all, I never tried anything from Summer Fridays, so I did pick up the Jet Lag Mask. I've seen this. This has been around for about 3-4 years already, and y'all, when I tell you, I was like, I want to pick up a mask, but I don't really know what the brand is giving. I don't know, like, so y'all, I was looking for a lip balm, and one of the reps said you have to try the Summer Friday lip butter, and I'm like, oh my gosh, every lip balm ever since the original lip guava from Bite Beauty, they changed the formula. Nothing has conditioned my lips how I wanted to, y'all. And I think the search is over for me, as long as they still make this. So Summer Fridays made a lip balm, and it's called the lip butter. And y'all, this right here is the truth. If you guys suffer from dry lips, this right here is the truth. I'm not gonna hold you. When I purchased this and I put it on my lip, I ran to Sephora the next day to purchase this. Okay? I went and ran there. Y'all, I'm obsessed with both of these products. This product, y'all, I'm not going to hold you. I keep this now in my purse, in my bag. I keep this in there because it really has changed my lips and the texture. And it literally a little bit goes a long way, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I highly recommend this, y'all. If y'all looking for a new lip balm, it is again on the pricier side, but it is so good. It's so good. And then the mask, I did get to try it one day. I don't have a whole bunch of opinions on it yet, but the first night that I did use it, y'all, my skin was looking like super fresh, super glowy. It was like I literally got a facial without doing a facial, and I knew that this product was for me. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you guys have any requests, you guys already know, sound off down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the Ignitions family, and don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. And you guys already know, I will catch you guys in the next one.